vessel clearly marks in the unlikely event of there being an emergency, I'll ask you all to remain calm, remain seated and follow any instructions given to you by the member. Like I say, it's a good thing to say it's not meant to alarm you at all. Please sit back and it's close neighbour. The bridge is unique as that sense of roadway that can be raised to our large vessel.
Yes, London.
Great Square of London. And when it does come into view, you'll notice the column itself has been built to represent the fourth London Bridge to cross over the Thames at this point. The first one was put in place by the Romans nearly 2,000 years ago. Okay folks, now if you are still amongst the seating there, you're up here on top there, once you take your photographs, you've got to ask you to find the seats, not a bit of politeness actually, for people sitting behind you and that. Thank you very much. If you want to stand up throughout the trip, you can stand at the best of worship, parts of that date back to the 1st, 2nd century. Just in front of that, you'll notice the back end of a small pirate ship. That is the exact replica of Sir Francis Drake's vessel, the Golden Hind. Now, she herself, she is a working vessel. She was built in Appledore, North Devon, in 19th-class financial times building. Apparently, when digging the foundations for that building, they came across the remains of the original. This is the replica of Shakespeare's Globe Batehouse Theatre, built on the dreams of Sam Wanamaker, the famous American film producer. Unfortunately, Sam passed away just several weeks before its completion. That took 8 years to construct, but it was built using all the traditional tools and materials. And it is open all year. If you look simple enough, you'll notice very white. It's a lovely relic. Displaying signage, you have such masterpieces as the Burnt Out Park, the Unmade Thing, and the Private Prince. So if modern art's your thing, then it's definitely well worth a visit. Now what I call art is back over here, they have lights and cathedral dome found around the world. Second to that only of the one of St. Peter's, found out in the Vatican city of Rome. The dome of St. Paul's weighs an amazing 32,000 tonnes. Right here is the Blackfriars Railway Bridge. Now as we pass through this, if you look either side of the boat, you will notice 12 red columns. This is all that we get the railway That was the old St Paul's Railway. Previously designed by the great Victorian engineer, in the France Kingdom through now. And it used to bring steam trains into London.
The railway station.
As the weight of the boat landing with big bridge, top part of the bridge. All said and done now, it was still regarded as quite a good school. If you look on the front of that building, you can see there the 4 statues. These are 4 of our famous English scholars. From left to right, you have Francis Bacon, John Milton, picture of things like many of the warehouses today that have. Bottom there now, we have the old shopping centre. Top, In front of us now, ladies and gentlemen, the last bridge we're going to pass beneath before our destination of Westminster. This is the Charing Cross Railway Bridge. That services Charing Cross Station, which is over there on the right hand. He actually won a £10,000 prize for the design of that building by saying that represents a steam train emerging from a tunnel. Now, if you look closely at that building, you can in fact see that it does indeed look nothing like a train coming out. Dominating London skyline, you have the old British Airways London Eye. I believe a company called Berlin recently sponsored by India. This is the second largest Ferris wheel in the world, standing now at 449 and see as far away as Australia. Unbelievable. The wheel, though, it has been a huge...